Hey everyone, Patrick here with MegaPro Tools. Today I'm going to show you how to build a very simple and basic garden box. The only problem is we only have this power drill, no impact driver. Well, that's not actually a problem because I also have my MegaLOK 15-in-1 driver, which is loaded with 7 double-end ANSI compatible bits, which are rated for, you guessed it, power drills. So the garden box we're going to build today is actually very straightforward and budget friendly. It costs less than $60 in materials. And here's what we're going to use. The frame of the box is going to be made with two 1x10s that are 8 feet long. I had these cut down at 2 feet, so we end up with two 6-foot pieces for the sides and two 2-foot pieces for the ends. We also have one 6-foot 2x2 we'll be using as the corner support pieces. This was cut down to 4 10-inch pieces to match the height of the frame. Finally, we have some 2-inch outdoor wood screws to fasten the whole thing together. These are actually treated deck screws that I was able to get in bulk for less than $1. I start by securing the corner support pieces to the inside edge of the 2-foot length. Have a quick look at the wood before you start and determine which side looks better. That will be your outside. So put that side facing down on the sawhorse and drill up into it with the support piece on top. Pre-drilling your hole will help keep the pieces aligned and make fastening in your screw much easier. You could clamp the wood together while you pre-drill your hole, and probably should. But if you don't have any and you're confident enough you can hold the wood piece in place, it isn't Mando. So I've just finished attaching the support pieces to the corners of my 2-foot length. Time to rinse, repeat, and do the other side. Now that both 2-foot end pieces have the supports screwed onto the edge, it's time to connect them to your 6-foot pieces. Line the ends up with the 2-foot piece on the inside. Drill through the outside board right into the center of the support piece. If you can get someone to hold a piece in place for you, or clamp them together, that helps. Since we're using bits on our power drill to fasten the screws, make sure you switch to the right setting on your power drill to get the correct amount of torque. Because you've pre-drilled your holes, the pieces will fit nicely back together when you screw them in. With both sides secured to one end piece, the structure holds better on the sawhorse. Now it's time to finish the other side. Now don't forget to use your official screw holder, your mouth. When selecting your drill bit size, try to choose one that is roughly the same size as the shank of the screw you're using. This will help you secure the screws faster and you'll soon find yourself getting in a groove. You know, sometimes you forget to charge the battery and it dies on the very last screw. Well, no problem, because the MegaLOK is more than capable of finishing the job. Just take your bit, pop it into the quick change chuck, and then you're off to the races. The MegaLOK, just like all our other drivers, is made with a durable Triax resin handle that can handle any job you throw at it. Combined with the ergonomic anti-fatigue features of the screwdriver design, you'll be able to work easier all the way to the last turn. Plus, our bits are industrial-grade S2 steel, built tough and able to help you get the job done. This driver is the perfect partner for your power drill. In fact, we recommend keeping them in the same bag so you'll always have the bits handy. And here you have the finished product. Now it's a good idea to put some varnish or some paint on it at some point in time, just to weatherproof it a little bit. We're in Vancouver, so we know it's going to get rained on eventually. And that's it. You built a quick and easy garden box using our innovative driver technology that helps you get the job done faster and easier. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay tuned for more MegaPro videos. Until we meet again, I'm Patrick from MegaPro Tools. Take care.